The Indonesian rescuers said on Sunday that they have detected a signal from the Boeing passenger plane that crashed into the Java Sea shortly after takeoff with 62 people on board. A military vessel has found a signal from the Sriwijaya Air SJ-182 and divers had recovered parts of the plane from around 23 meters 75 feet below the water surface, the Transport Ministry said in a statement, citing Indonesia's military chief Hadi Jacinto. The ministry did not specify if the signal was detected from the downed plane's black box. The Boeing 737-500 belonging to the Indonesia-based airline lost up to 10,000 feet in altitude within a minute after takeoff, according to flight tracking service Flight Radar 24. The highest altitude the aircraft reached was 10,900 feet, while the last altitude it recorded was 250 feet. The Sriwijaya airplane took off from the Indonesian capital Jakarta and was headed to Pontianak in West Kalimantan province, local media reported. Flight SJ-182 began to lose altitude around 4 minutes after takeoff, Flight Radar 24 reported. The plane was operated by Boeing 737-500 Classics with registration number PKCLC MSN 27323. The plane's first recorded flight was in May 1994, making it some 26 years old. The signal from the flight was lost at 7 hours 40 minutes 27 seconds Coordinated Universal Time according to Flight Radar 24. This is around 12:40 p.m. in India. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.